Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel Krishnam Bhagavatam. Today I'll teach you how to link PAN with Aadhar. You don't need to waste extra money and time anymore. It's a full tutorial video and you have to just follow the steps. Please like, share and comment if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and tap the bell button. Let's follow the steps and do with me. Open any browser and then write incometax.gov.in on Google search, then click enter or search. Then select the first option, then you'll see link Aadhar status, which is used to check out if your Aadhar is already linked with your PAN. Then select link Aadhar to link if it's not already linked with PAN. Now you have to enter your PAN number inside the box. Check out your PAN number if it's correct or not, and then you will see another box under the first box. You have to enter your Aadhar number there, then check out it carefully too. Then click on validate and then click on continue to pay though e-pay tax. Now enter your PAN again inside the left box and then confirm it again inside the right side box. Now enter your mobile number under the left side box. You'll see another box under the left side box. Now click on continue and then you'll get an OTP on your given mobile number. Now enter it as you are seeing on the screen. Enter it carefully and correctly. Then click on continue and then again continue as you are seeing on the screen. Now click proceed on income tax. Now select assessment year 2023 to 24 and then follow the steps as you are seeing on the screen. Now click on continue, then again click on continue. Then click on payment gateway and then select Federal Bank. Then click on continue and then scroll down and click on the pay now option. Then scroll down and select I agree to the terms and conditions, then click on submit to bank. Now select Pay Now, then you'll see various payment options. If you pay with cards like me, then click on Cards and then you'll have to enter card details. After doing payment successfully, you'll get the download link, then click on Download and download it. Now check it after download has been finished, then follow the next step carefully. Now open a new tab and do the same process to check out link Aadhar status. Now click on link Aadhar status. Enter your PAN number inside the box and then enter your Aadhar number inside the second box. Now click on View Aadhar Link Status and follow the process. Now you have to enter your PAN number inside the first box and then enter your Aadhar number inside the second box. Just do as I am doing. Now click on Validate and then press on Continue. In this page you have to enter your PAN number and Aadhar number inside the first and second box. Then you have to enter your name and mobile number by the same process. Now click on those two small boxes to agree with those lines and then click on Link Aadhar. If you don't have only birth year on your Aadhar card, then don't select the first small box. You'll get OTP on your mobile number which you entered. Enter the OTP inside those boxes. Be careful while entering the OTP. Now click on Validate and then press the OK button. You are all done now. Your Aadhar will be successfully linked with your PAN. You didn't had to go anywhere and waste money. You saved your time and money both.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos.